Just a brief update on the roller. The engine's now refitted. It had an hour's test this morning. The engine revs are responsive, it's running well. So it's quite a tight fit to get in there, so what's left now, that's the coupling. I tried to use a black nitrile rubber, but it was too thick, so I've gone to blue, a bit thinner as a coupling, so that should do it. The next stage is to connect the cable for the vibrating shaft, control cable, and then I put the machine up on blocks and test it. I'll give it a good old test, forward, reverse, vibration in on and off, until I'm happy with it. As you can see, that's the belt is fitted now to the pulley. That's the clutch. It's painted in British Racing green, but it won't go as fast as a sports car. So that's basically it. Now it's well on. The exhaust, pepper pot exhaust, looks good. It's just touching in paintwork then, and final rub down. Just give it a quick blast over on the outside. It's got to be rubbed and primed, and not primed, filled or whatever. And the job's a good one, and it's a vast difference to what it was. So that comes over there like that. Let's go over there. Yeah. Isn't there? Pokes his nose through. And the clips into there, and there we go. So I reckon it's about an hour's work on it to set up the clutch on it. The rest of it looks pretty good. The back of it, the fuel tank, and obviously the water tank's going to be fitted, but she's taking shape there now, so till next time.